Everybody may not be good, but there is something good in every day. So please capitalize on those opportunities. The reason most people do not succeed in their life is because they haven't worked out the plan that they want to pursue, or at least they have not defined them or consider them achievable. So, our suggestion to you is set your goals and define them. Dream big, start small, and start now. That should be the goal for every single one of you. As you might heard of it before, that shoot for the moon, if you even fail to do that, you will still land in stars that you can learn from. If you run into any kind of troubles in reaching your goals, don't change your goals, change your directions. Don't lose hope. You don't know what tomorrow will bring. People also say they climb up to the mountains so you can go all the way to the top. Not so that the others can see you or the world can see you, but you can see the world. Remember that when you want success as bad as you want to breathe, then you will be successful. So work as hard as you can, and do not forget that you can do anything but not everything. Also, do not measure yourself by the things that you have accomplished, but measure yourself by the things that you have not accomplished based on the abilities that you have, to utilize your abilities that have been given to you. And always remember, success comes to only those who look for success. Easily speaking, there is no elevator to success. You have to use the escalators, or you have to use these stairs. And if someone criticizes you for your accomplishments, tell them very clearly that you walk slowly, but you never walk backward. That should be your intent in every aspect of your life moving forward. And if you think that you're too small to be effective, then think about the little mosquitoes that are in your bed, the kinds of damage that they can do. And if you don't have that experience, it seems like you're not an Alligerian. The other thing is build your skills, not resume. Do not tell people your dreams. Instead, show them the dreams. Wake up with determination and go with satisfaction. That should be your motive. Do not say that you don't have enough time, because all of those who have been successful in the past, including the Nobel laureates, have the same number of days and hours that we all have today. You might also have heard this before, that people say, if you cannot fly, you can run. If you cannot run, you can walk. If you cannot walk, you can crawl. But whatever you do, you need to keep moving, because the bad news is the time is running out, but the good news is that you are the pilot. For the students who cannot see the end of the road, I'm not telling you it's going to be that easy. I'm telling you it's going to be worth it. There are 4 quotes that I'm going to give it to you. Hopefully they will motivate you as they motivated me. Bill Gates, he said, I failed in some subjects in my exam, but my other friend passed in all. He became an engineer and he works in Microsoft, and I own the Microsoft. Mahatma Gandhi said, live as you were to die tomorrow. Learn as you were to live forever. Albert Einstein, everybody knows about him. He said, learn from yesterday live for today and hope for tomorrow. In United States, Abraham Lincoln, he said, the best way to predict your future is to create one. So I hope that the things that I try to assemble here are good enough to motivate all of our students here. Let's talk about the second hand, which is helping others. And we learned quite a few things today. In my opinion, this is my personal opinion, that people should be judged based on what they do for others, not for what they do for themselves. There are two kinds of people in this world. Some are givers and some are takers. Takers may eat better, but givers may sleep better. We cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone. The other people that we talk to say there is no better exercise for the heart than reaching down and lifting people up. That is the most important thing, reaching down and lifting some people up. The other important message is helping is not going to change the entire world, but it will change the world of that person that you're helping. Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to get lost in helping somebody else. And I will give one more quote from President Obama, who said, if you are passionate about something, and then you work as hard as you can, then you can accomplish anything. And you see what happened once he made this statement. Then he became the President of the United States of America 4 years later. So, my dear students, let me leave you with this. If you cannot fulfill your own dream, I can assure you that somebody is going to hire you to fulfill their dreams. So please keep that in mind. So with that, I am going to move on to my role as a moderator. I'm hoping there are some people here. Hassan Kamal, the first one, I don't see him.
Hassan Kamal is not here.
He's not here? Okay. That will save us some time.